a recruitment campaign, Nolaus Klavinu, was launched. Nolaus Klavinu directly means break the maple tree, a wordplay on the surname of the analyst to be replaced. Klavins directly translates as maple. The campaign consisted of 3 rounds. The first round, in association with Illustrated Science magazine, was based on questions that tested the general knowledge and logical thinking of the candidates. The candidates with the most correct answers in the quickest time qualified for the next round. The second round related to tasks in Excel to evaluate the candidates' analytical skills. The most successful ones got invited to the third round, a job interview to test the candidate's personality. A homepage, www.nolausklavinu.lv, was launched. This included information about the campaign and tasks for the first 2 rounds, a blog and Twitter feed by the existing analyst, and information about the company. We raised publicity for the campaign with outdoor ads, magazine ads, and by actively communicating via social media.